Meet the NEWYES LDO806, the world's smallest inkjet printer.
Print complete.
It's ultra compact, weighing just 1.65 pounds and measuring under 12 inches. That means real printing power, small enough to fit in your backpack, glove box, or even laptop sleeve. Despite its size, it prints on standard A4 paper. Whether it's black and white documents or colorful charts, it gets the job done. No special paper needed. With built-in wireless connectivity and long-lasting 1800 mAh battery, the LD086 prints wherever you are. No cords, no hassle. Just power it up and print. One charge gives you up to 80 pages of printing and a 30-day standby time. Every page comes out crisp and clear thanks to the 300 dpi resolution. And no more upside-down pages. Every print is correctly oriented. Connect from your phone, your laptop, iOS, Android, or Windows. It's all supported. Multiple devices can queue print jobs at once, perfect for shared use. Print one page at a time or load up to 20 sheets into the tray feeder. Fast and flexible for your needs. It's affordable too. One black ink cartridge prints up to 500 pages. One color cartridge up to 200 pages. No thermal paper, no fading, just regular prints at a fraction of the cost. There's no comparison between old printers and these new ones. Unlike bulky printers, the LDO806 is built for life on the move. And unlike thermal printers, it prints on regular paper that won't fade. Whether you're a truck driver, a business traveler, or a student in a small apartment, the LDO806 is your go-anywhere printer. Perfect for road trips, mobile offices, or printing contracts on the fly. Practical, real printing anywhere you go. LD806. It's compact, wireless, and surprisingly powerful for something this small. If you're tired of bulky printers or wasting time at the print shop, this is a real game changer. Remotely or just need a reliable backup printer at home, the LDO806 makes it easy to print anywhere. Quality and how easy it is to set up and use. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's in the description.